nata na siya? 350 to 400 na. May ano siya, black onyx na jersey. Kaya ka ma'am check okay Sir Nelson, mana siya ka jersey. Napuntay, ang t-shirt na siya, napuntay ka itong pang basketball shirt if you want. Pero, mas gapa ba yan para natay nga na kanan. So, we encourage everyone to please avail that uniform. Yan. So, sa to, sir, dali mo dali. Dalita. Yan. Sulod sa circle, sulod. Okay, so actually, dapat natin gawa isa-isa ka activity po before we go. But then, I think we are all tired. Nag-enjoy naman po sila, no? So I hope, kita mata sa itong mga pangalan. Ano sa meron? Sige. Okay, so, ako lang itong masala.
So if there is a way that we can make something good, that we can be a blessing again to others, it's there. You see, the greatest challenge, opportunities that we can have in this life is to be a blessing to others. Tama ba? That every time we join a group like this, should always endeavor that we can at least encourage a soul to remain faithful, to remain in one. And supposedly we have the opportunity to encourage, then let us ask God. Then, let the results start all over again to be an encouragement. Tama ba na? Yes. Ang kanindot pang God, when we encourage somebody else, and we see a positive response of that person, it also will be encouraged that life, after all, is meaningful, wonderful, and worth living. So, karon, we are having this activity and we look forward for in the future that we can have a lot more, no? Based on the resources and the plans set forth by our beloved Madam Chairperson of the Human Resource Department, and continue to have that wonderful plans. I understand that there will be a lot of activities in the future. This weekend, the spiritual people, pastors and those involved in the spiritual emphasis will be joining together somewhere in the mountains, somewhere there. So let us pray. This will really encourage all of us to remain faithful regardless of our creed, color, or religious affiliation. Tama ba? Dili man tanawon sa Ginoo kung sa atong religion ang taon sa Ginoo, if how can we really be a blessing to the institution where we are in. Tama, no? May mo kang panalangin ka. So, we only come to this place once. So if there is a way that we can do our share in this world to be a blessing to others, let's do it now. We will never pass this way again.
Thank you, Doc. So, in behalf of the Onyx team, we would like to thank Ma'am Yen Sonsona. Ma'am Yen. Let's clap our hands to Ma'am Yen, and Sir Rodel, and Sir Densho, and Sir Amay, and Ma'am May. These are the people who work together kung unsa ang atong preparation karon. And so with the rest of the people who help sa katong data department, sa ila Sir katong nagsugba dito. Wala gyud mi na problema sa kaon because grabe ang preparation niya ilang gibuhat. So thank you. Let's give them a round of applause. Thank you guys for your effort, and sa sunod na po. Yan. And I hope sa sunod ang katong uban ng mga kauban, let's help them also. Ayan. So magbabalik na po sila. So before atong closing, so before si Doc mag-pray, si Doc Casio, then we will have atong gamay na song, while taga-kanta sa song, may ila-ila pa tanan diha, ginagmay lang. Katong mga karaan na nga kaila lang muna ang kuan, paspas sila. Pero katong mga bag-o nga kuan, ila-ilahan lang. At least you will know some of them when you go to the hospital. Yes. Mo balik mo the circle. Okay, ma'am Tunit.
Okay, so happy afternoon. Isang bagsak for Onyx team. Woo! Ay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, thank you so much. So our song, it's a good thing to be together. It's a good thing? Yes? Yes, no? So karon kabalo na takin sa ang modula og volleyball, kinsa ang mag-swimming, kinsa ang maayo mo special song. So for our closing song, the title is It's a Good Thing to Be Together. So first si Sir Sam. So whenever dili ninyo kaila ang inyong makakumusta, mag-anak ka, and then you go back to where you are, no? So magkumusta and then kinailangan nato ang ato ang naa sa atubangan. Okay?